If you are planning to buy the Samsung Galaxy S25, I would say you wait first because recently Honor just announced the Honor 400 Pro and it might just be the better deal. Come, let's talk about it. What's up guys, Jason Smashpop here. So why did I say the Honor 400 Pro might be better than the Galaxy S25? Well, it's very obvious price-wise, okay? So the S25, the price is actually 4,499 and the Honor 400 Pro is only 2,699. The specs are also the same, 12GB of RAM and also 512GB of storage. So why are people actually paying about 2,000 ringgit extra for this? Is it for the brand? Is it for what? I also don't understand because both looks actually okay. Both got 3 cameras. Why? Now let's compare the most important feature of both phones, okay? Camera system. Now on the Samsung Galaxy S25, you can see there are 3 lenses at the back. 50 megapixel main camera, 10 megapixel zoom and also a 12 megapixel ultra wide. Now on the Honor 400 Pro, it is a little bit different, okay? The main camera is 200 megapixels and the zoom is actually 50 megapixel and ultra wide is 12 megapixels. So even if the ultra wide are the same on both, okay, but the zoom and the main camera is already a winning formula for the Honor 400 Pro. And if you are the kind that loves to take selfies, okay, so the camera in the front got big difference. On the Samsung, it is actually 12 megapixel and on the Honor 400 Pro, it is 50 megapixels. And apart from that, the Honor 400 Pro also has this thing called hardcore portrait that makes portrait photos look a lot more professional and looks a lot better. Now, apart from amazing hardware and also camera systems on the Honor 400 Pro, they are also providing better AI features comparing with the Galaxy S25. For example, AI image to video, AI cutout, AI outpainting, AI upscale, AI face tune, and also moving photo collage. You get all this on the Honor 400 Pro, but on the Galaxy S25, you only get object eraser, best face, and also audio eraser. So Honor actually collaborated with Google Cloud whereby they are bringing all these AI features built into the phone so you don't actually have to download any specific apps to do all those things. Now when it comes to battery and charging, okay, if you have been following the advancement of Samsung phones, basically there was none, okay? Because for many generations, the Samsung phones has always had 25 watt of wired charging and also 15 watt of wireless charging. No matter whether you use Ultra, non-Ultra, S whatever, it has been the same, okay? But for the Honor 400 Pro, you actually get 100 watt of fast charging and also 50 watt of wireless charging. Now battery wise, the Honor 400 Pro actually has a gigantic 6000 mAh battery, comparing to the S25, only 4000 mAh. And speaking of battery and charging, you see this, the Galaxy S25 box is super thin. You know why? Because there's nothing inside. There's no adapter. How to charge? Now let's talk about the screen, okay? Now if you compare both sizes, the Honor 400 Pro actually has a bigger screen with 6.7 inches and the Galaxy S25 only 6.2. So if you love things that are big and long, I'm sure you know which one to pick. Now other than that, the brightness also very different, okay? The Honor 400 Pro can go up to 5000 nits, whereby the S25 can only go to 2600 nits, and that also means during a hot day under the bright sun, you won't be able to see your screen on the Samsung. Now, when it comes to processor, it's quite simple because both are actually quite good. Okay, so this one, I would say both are winners here. The Honor 400 Pro actually uses the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, whereby the Samsung Galaxy S25 uses the Snapdragon 8 Elite 4 Galaxy. To end my video, let's compare a little bit on AI features, okay? Because nowadays, 2025, when we buy phones, we need to have all the AI things, although we don't use it, but we still want to own them, correct or not? Okay? So the Honor 400 Pro actually has many AI features. For example, Magic Portal, AI deepfake detection, AI writing tools, AI translation, AI summary and minutes, Google Lens, Google Gemini, and also Circle to search. All these features are actually very similar to the one on the Honor Magic 7 Pro. So you don't have to get that flagship level, you can still have all these flagship level AI features. Now let's talk Samsung. So for Samsung, the AI features are kinda different, okay? For example, you get the Now Brief feature, you get the Now Bar, you get AI Select, you get Audio Eraser, you get Best Space, and also Gemini. So if you compare the amount of features that you get, I would say that the Honor actually provides a lot more. Furthermore, Samsung AI is only free until the end of 2025. Okay, so if you want to buy a phone now, you use until end of 2025, next year you need to pay to use AI. What's this? Hopefully this video is able to help you decide on your next smartphone purchase, okay? If you love videos like this, don't forget to subscribe, share this video with your friends, and follow me on all social platforms. My name is Smashpop, and I'll see you in the next video. Yo!